Uncover the charm of lucky star in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the magic behind a popular English phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or songs, lucky star. This phrase is a sparkling example of how language encapsulates culture, superstition, and emotion. If you've ever wondered what it means to thank your lucky stars, you're in the right place. So let's dive into the cosmic world of this fascinating phrase and explore its usage in everyday English. The phrase, lucky star, comes from ancient beliefs that stars have the power to influence our lives. In modern usage, when someone says they're thanking their lucky star, they mean they are grateful for their good fortune. It's as if there's a star out there bringing luck specifically to them. But remember, lucky star isn't just about actual stars. It's a metaphor for luck and good fortune. You can use lucky star in a variety of situations. Let's look at some examples. When you escape a close call, I must have been born under a lucky star to have avoided that accident. Expressing relief or gratitude after good outcomes. Thank my lucky stars, the test results were negative. In moments of unexpected success, he must be thanking his lucky star for that sudden promotion. The idea of a lucky star has been referenced in many cultural contexts, from Shakespeare's plays to modern pop songs. It reflects the human tendency to find patterns in the stars to explain life's fortunes and misfortunes. While we no longer believe in the literal influence of stars over our destiny, the phrase remains a charming way to acknowledge good luck. When learning phrases like lucky star, context is key. Try to watch movies or shows where the phrase is used. Write your sentences using lucky star to practice its use. Pair the phrase with a personal experience to better remember its meaning. I hope this video has been a stellar journey for you through the meaning and usage of the phrase, lucky star. Language is filled with such beautiful expressions that add color and emotion to our speech. Keep learning and looking for your lucky star in the English language. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and believe in the power of words to shape your world. Goodbye for now, and may your learning journey be as bright as the stars.